Orange jelly candies are transparent, gummy treats made from orange juice and gelatin. They are perfect for a sweet break or to serve as a light dessert after meals. Here is the Italian recipe to prepare these delights. Ingredients: 500 milliliters of fresh orange juice, about 4 or 5 oranges, 150 grams of sugar, 40 grams of powdered gelatin or gelatin sheets, zest of 1 orange for garnish, optional, neutral oil for grazing the mold, such as sunflower oil. Preparation: squeeze the juice from the oranges until you reach the required volume and strain to remove the pulp. Take a small part of the orange juice and dissolve the powdered gelatin. If using gelatin sheets, first soak them in cold water for about 10 minutes, then squeeze them out and dissolve in the warm juice. Meanwhile, heat the rest of the orange juice with sugar in a pot, stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, add the juice with the dissolved gelatin and stir well to combine. Lightly grease a rectangular mold or small molds with neutral oil. Pour the mixture into the mold and let it set in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or until the jellies have solidified. Once the gelatin has set, unmold the candies and, if desired, roll them in granulated sugar to give them a sparkling effect. If you like, you can add a touch of elegance with grated orange zest on the surface of the candies before serving. Fun facts: fruit jellies, also known as pâte de fruit in France, are a specialty that can be made with various types of fruit. This orange version is simple to prepare and very versatile. In Italy, you might find artisanal versions of this sweet in some pastry shops, especially in the south where citrus fruits are abundant. When making jelly candies, let your imagination run wild. Use molds of different shapes or experiment with combinations of juices to create multi-flavor candies or colorful layers. Enjoy preparing and tasting your orange jelly candies.